Once upon a time, in a small, quiet workshop, an old pencil maker sat at his wooden table. The light from the window was soft, and the smell of wood and graphite filled the air. On the table lay a brand new pencil. It was smooth, shiny, freshly made, ready to go out into the world. But before placing the pencil into a box, the old man gently picked it up in his hand. He held it for a moment and looked at it the way a father might look at his child, with care and hope. Then he began to speak. "Little pencil," he said softly, "there are 5 things I want you to remember. They may not seem important now, but if you remember them, you will become the best pencil you can be." The pencil was quiet, but somehow it was listening. "The first thing is this," said the man. "You will do many great things in life, but only if you let yourself be held in someone else's hand. You cannot write by yourself. You must trust someone. Let them guide you. Let them shape your journey." The pencil thought about that. It sounded simple, but it felt true. "Second," the man continued, "from time to time, you will feel pain. You will be sharpened." The pencil flinched. "Your wood will be cut. Your shape will change. And yes, it will hurt. But remember this, it's only through sharpening that you become useful. You will write more clearly, more beautifully, more powerfully. The pain is part of your purpose." "Now, the third thing," he said, "you will make mistakes. Sometimes your lines will be crooked. Sometimes you will write the wrong word, and that's okay because you have an eraser. You can correct your mistakes. You can always begin again." The pencil felt lighter. It didn't have to be perfect. It just had to be willing. The man smiled. "And this is the fourth thing. The most important part of you is what's inside, not your color, not your size, not your shine, but the graphite in your core. That's where your real strength is. So never forget to care for your inner self, because that's what allows you to write your story." Then he paused for a moment. The room grew still. Finally, he spoke again. "And last, wherever you go, you must leave your mark. Every time you are used, you leave something behind. It could be a note, a drawing, a message, a memory. No matter what happens, you must keep writing, even when the paper is rough, even when others do not understand, even when you feel small or tired or forgotten. Keep writing." The pencil was quiet, but inside it felt something stir. Hope, purpose, a quiet promise. "I will remember," it seemed to say. "I will try." And with that, the old man placed the pencil in the box, ready to go out into the world. Just like that pencil, you were made with a purpose. You may feel small, You may feel unfinished, but inside you, there is something powerful. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be willing to grow, to be guided, to learn, and to leave your mark. So when life sharpens you, don't be afraid. Maybe it's not trying to break you. Maybe it's preparing you to write